Hello friends, welcome once again. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to make tallow oil at home. Tallow oil is basically taken from animal fat, usually beef. So we start by washing the fat to remove every form of blood stain in it. So as we go along in this video, I'll be sharing with you some of the importance and the uses of tallow oil. As you can see, I've added water to the fat, so I'm going to wash and remove all the blood stain in it before cutting them into smaller bits. And after washing them properly and they become clean, I'll begin to cut them into smaller size. Tallow oil offers a range of health, skin care and practical benefits. Tallow oil helps in nourishing the skin and hair. Tallow oil is used for the production of soap and lotion because of its moisturizing properties and similarity to human skin sebum. It can also make soap that are rich and creamy suitable for dry skin. And after cutting into smaller bits, transfer into a pot and repeat the same process for the remaining ones. Then add water to it, take to the heat and begin to cook. The reason why you add water before cooking is to prevent them from burning beneath before they start releasing their oil. Although you can actually do this without adding water, but some will get burned before they start releasing their oil. As you can see, as I cook, the fat has started releasing its oil. So I'll continue to cook until the fat releases all its oil. Tallow oil is used for the making of lubricant and grease, leather conditioning, candle making, and also for the production of animal feed. And as you can see, the water has dried from the fat, but there are still some fats remaining which are yet to release their oil. So I continue to cook to get all the oil from it. Please, if this is your first time of seeing my videos, I want to say thank you so much for clicking to watch. Kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you will be notified. And to all my amazing returning viewers, I want to say thank you so much for your great support. I appreciate you. God bless you. And after leaving it to cook for some time, you notice that the color of the fat has become brown, which means it has released all its oil. At this point, I'll remove them from the oil. Then we have our tallow oil. Tallow oil is used as cooking fat or frying oil, although this use is less common today. And after removing the fat from the oil, next we transfer into a strainer to separate the residue from the tallow oil. And now we have our tallow oil, which came out very beautiful. I'm going to be using this for the production of bar soap. And if you find this very helpful, please don't forget to click on the like button, comment and share this with your loved ones. Please make sure to store this oil in a container with a wider mouth for easy scooping because this oil solidifies at temperature around 40 degrees Celsius. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video.